Hi, hello. In this video, I'd want to show you how to use the word-to-page converter. I know some of us might be familiar with this, some of us might be hearing about it for the first time. So this video is meant to be quick and just straight to the point. So word-to-page converter are basically free website tools we can easily use to convert words to pages. It's basically used for writing accurately. So let's say you want to charge someone for a work and you're trying to confirm how much or how many pages a certain amount of words would give you. You can easily use this tool. Why I'm on this first page is because this is where I usually come to use this tool. So this is writersking.com. Not only do they have these free tools, they also help you with your professional writings, academic writings, and blog posts, any kind of writing. They deal with that. So another fantastic thing they have here is these tools, and that's what I'm about to show you. They have about I think majorly 4 of them. Yeah, this is it: word to page converter, word to sentence counter, word to minute converter, word per slide converter. So I'll be showing you the first one here, word to page converter. So like I said earlier, you're trying to do an assignment and probably a lecturer has given you like let's say a certain amount of pages to write on, and you want to know how many words you would need to make up for that pages. You could easily come to use this tool to know that. And it's important to also know that these pages are pages like in any other tool you're using is determined by the number of words, the type of font size you're using, the type of font you're using, and your spacing. So I've come across people that maybe you're telling them, can you do this work for me, and I want like 1005 words, and you see them trying to like calculate to know how many pages that's going to take so that they can easily maybe charge you or price you for those things. So instead of racking your brain for those things, you could easily come to or use any of these tools to get to know how many pages a word would easily take. So this is very simple to use. So let's say I'm thinking of writing 1000 words. I'd input there 1000 words, and you could see below there it has already started counting for me the number of words, and that's because my font size is on calibrate. So if I'm changing it to Times New Roman, and let's say I'm doing the normal size 12 and double line spacing, so that it give me 4 pages. So you know that okay, 1000 words is going to be 4 pages. So I could easily know how long my assignment will take me, or how many words I need to come up with to make a 4 pages assignment or a 4 pages work. So let's say I'm thinking of doing 10 pages. I could easily just confirm that, or however you want to do it. Or you're confused about, okay, if I'm doing 2000 words with the 1.5 line spacings, you already know how many it's giving you. Or you want to do 1 line spacings, you are sure of how many pages you could get out of that. So let's say 11 font size or 10 font size, or how many, or whatever number of font size you want to use. This free tool here would help you sort that out. So instead of racking your brain to know or calculate how many, or get disappointed when you start writing and then you realize that you've written so much and yet you've not met the number of pages, you could easily just come here before you start writing to clear that out, so that you know how to go about your work. So you should visit this website and use this free tool for your writings. It will help you with blog posts, with Twitter writings, with any kind of professional or simple social media writings. This could help you. So that's for this video, and thanks for watching.